this.
One of the reasons I got into powder coating was so that I could get this bike done. And as you can see, all these lights on the front of this thing are all chrome, and we're going to start powder coating them black. It's a good time of the year to get this stuff done. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn this into this. It looks good. So hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe because that just encourages these shenanigans. And let's get on it. That's all you need. Okay, this was the next part. It turned out okay, but I did manage to get a little bit of orange peel at the top where the part was the thinnest, and ultimately that just drove me nuts. So I buffed it out and gave both arms a second coat, but I heated them a little different. I turned the top element way down and let the bottom element do most of the heating, and then they turned out awesome. Actually, while I'm thinking of it here, I just want to show you some. What does that say about? The temperature I'm looking for is 380. That's 380, 390 in that area. Take a shot. $389. Okay, during editing I didn't feel I was getting my point across properly, so I'm going to do it in a voiceover. The temperature probes for the PIDs say that the internal temperature of the oven near the top is 354 and near the bottom it's 346. But the part will be way hotter. I don't know why, that's just the way it is. So I installed this barbecue thermometer, and I feel that it more accurately represents the part temperature than those PIDs. So all I'm getting at here is don't rely on the PIDs. I would come up with a backup temperature probe. Can I touch this? Oh yeah. Now this highly polished black chrome look is a bit of a difficult process to get perfect to begin with. Even though the first one turned out okay, this one for some reason got a little bit of orange peel at the top, which I probably could have buffed out. But along this seam here, the powder didn't quite get in there. So I buffed out the orange peel. I gave them both a second coat, and they look great now. Second time's the charm. These turn signals, on the other hand, turned out absolutely amazing the first time round. Next one. I'm not going to take any chances here. I'm going to off-gas these 450 for 20 minutes and we're almost done here. These little pieces turned out really nice too. And these will cool down now from the off-gassing, so I'll wipe them down with the degreaser and spray them up. Okay, that's the last of the big pieces. These turned out amazing. I was really happy with these. Now I just have 4 little bolts to do and we'll put everything back together. Now, if you were wondering how I was going to get those off there, so was I. didn't think you'd want to watch me put the stuff on. I mean, we all know how that goes. I am really happy with the finish, even though I had to do a couple of pieces over. The orange peel I was getting, it could have been anything. You look up orange peel and there's a list this long of stuff. But I'm pretty sure the arms were getting overheated by that top element. But like I said in the video, once I fixed the problem, or buffed it out, recoated it, reheated it with the top element turned down, they turned out amazing. Same with the driving lights. Once I redid them, they look great. And everything looks nice and thick and the way it's supposed to. It's beautiful. I really like it. I rounded things off here with the X-Brite 4.5 Daymakers and the JW Speaker 8790, and then some little halo turn signal, LED turn signals here. Oh, and I ordered up the black lower fairing trim too. Yeah, so I'm really happy with the finish, and I hope you enjoyed watching it, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.